Here at Hedgesville, lunch is always a topic of conversation. At lunch, there's about 30 to 35 minutes, and many students feel that is not enough time. With the lines being a wait around 5 to 10 minutes, and then the time it takes to eat and dump your tray, there isn't time to fit in to relax and talk to friends, which is really important for mental health.
I never eat school lunch.
Why?
I just find it's a long time to wait in the line.
Lunch food is actually really bad. Like, it doesn't taste good at all, and a lot of the times it's burnt or like not cooked all the way or stuff like that.
I think it's definitely something to be improved upon.
I just like the time, and no offense to the cooks, but to me it just doesn't have much of a flavor. I feel like the people in the back of the line, they do not get sufficient amount of time to eat lunch.
Having more time for lunch would be a great idea, considering lots of students who are at the end of the lunch lines don't get to eat their lunch until the last 5-10 minutes. And I've been in the back of that line, and it's not very fun, because then I'm cramming and I could have had the lunch period to do my homework.
For some people it is, but for some it isn't. Like, for the people in the back of the line, like, that's going to be hard for them to get their lunch, and then they're scarfing it all down, and that can give you a tummy ache.
Some students have suggested that having an opportunity to leave the school building for lunch would help alliterate the problems.
Leaving for lunch would be a great idea in theory if it weren't for the lack of variety in restaurants near the school that you'd be able to get to and from within the half-hour lunch period, because you only have Subway, Burger King, and Dunkin'.
I do, because certain people have dietary needs. Like, the school can't always provide something for your diet, or if you have an allergic reaction to something, or some people only like eat healthy and school foods are just not for them.
I mean, teachers could always write students up if they come back late, but you can't control the traffic, and it's really hard to control students when they're not on school property.
Maybe they have like a sign-out sheet that you would like be forcefully have to sign if you do go off campus for lunch. And that if you're not back in the allotted time, you would get a warning or your privilege is taken away.
Students have a few solutions to fix these issues.
I would say everyone all at once goes to lunch for an hour and a half.
I would recommend at least 45 minutes of lunch so that you can get everyone eating lunch and everybody has time to take care of what they need to and then get back to class.
All in all, the student body feels more time is needed in all 3 lunches because we only have a half an hour to wait in line, eat, relax, and talk to friends, so a longer lunch would be very beneficial.